Now see here, an electron, an alpha particle and proton have the same kinetic energy. Which of these particles has the shortest de Broglie wavelength? So this is a conceptual question, and also you can say this is a 1 mark question, not a big question. So we know the de Broglie wavelength, lambda is equal to h by mv. We can write lambda is equal to h by under root of 2 m k, where k is the kinetic energy and which is the same for all these 3 particles, but m is the mass of the particle, which is different. So we have got the 3 particle me, mp and m alpha. You know, from here m alpha is greater than mp, mp is greater than me. This is the about the masses. So alpha particle has got the largest mass. If alpha particle has the largest mass, so the wavelength for alpha particle will be smallest. So the wavelength of alpha particle will be smaller than the wavelength of the proton, and that will be smaller than the wavelength of electron. So the shortest wavelength is of here alpha particle. So this we can write here the alpha actually here. So shortest wavelength is for alpha particle.